Nvidia soared over 190%, Tesla rolled out a revolutionary new model, and Apple amazed investors yet again. But here's the big question: which company truly stole the spotlight in 2024? And that's not all. There's one stock that skyrocketed by an unbelievable 2,750%. What caused such a meteoric rise? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the EODHD channel, where we break down the year's biggest financial and tech stories. Today we're diving into the top performing companies of 2024, from Nvidia AI dominance to Tesla EV breakthroughs and Apple's next-gen innovation. We'll break down their results, highlight key moments, and even give you a sneak peek of what might be next of these industry giants. 2024 has been a roller coaster for the markets. Some companies soared to new highs while others struggle to keep up. So, how can investors figure out which stocks are worth holding onto and which ones to watch in the future? Stay tuned, because we're not just covering the big names like Nvidia, Tesla and Amazon. We'll also reveal the breakout stars of 2024, including two companies that grew by an astonishing 700% to even 2,750%. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This was the year where AI reshaped industries. EVs pushed the boundaries of transportation, and cloud technologies revolutionized the way businesses operate. But not every company managed to adapt. Who dominated? Who surprised? And what lessons can investors take into 2025? Let's find out. First up, Nvidia, which had an incredible year. The stock soared to $145, delivering a jaw-dropping 190% growth. What's driving the surge? Nvidia remains at the forefront of the AI revolution, supplying GPUs to major players like Meta and AWS. With demand for AI chips reaching new heights, Nvidia is firmly positioned as a backbone for this technological wave. Next is Tesla, which is closing the year at $357, up to 44%. Tesla's stock performance in 2024 has been influenced by several key developments. Full self-driving software update (FSD). In early December, Tesla released version 13 of its FSD software, enhancing the company's autonomous driving capabilities. This update contributed to a 3.2% increase in Tesla's stock, which closed almost at $351 on December 3, 2024. Humanoid robot Optimus. Tesla unveiled its humanoid robot Optimus, capable for performing tasks such as catching balls and interacting with objects. This development showcases Tesla's expansion into robotics, potentially opening new revenue streams. Regulatory environment. The election of President-elect Donald Trump is expected to ease regulations on autonomous vehicles, potentially benefiting Tesla's self-driving initiatives. This political shift has positively impacted investor sentiment towards Tesla. These factors, among others, have contributed to Tesla's stock reaching almost $358, reflecting a 44% annual growth. The company's advancements in autonomous driving and robotics, along with a favorable regulatory outlook, have bolstered investors' confidence. Ford's year was steady but not stellar. Each stock ended the year at $10.50, nearly the same as where it started. Why? Despite the strong EV sales with models like the F-150 Lightning, Ford faced challenges with high production costs and increased competition in the EV space. The company is laying the groundwork for growth, but 2024 was more about consolidation than leaps forward. Apple continued its winning streak, closing the year at $243, up 20%. What's fueled the growth? The launch of the Vision Pro AR/VR headset generated over 1 million pre-orders, adding an estimated $15 billion to revenue. Apple's ability to innovate, particularly in AI and AR, keeps it at the forefront of technology and a favorite for investors. Meta had a standout year when its stock surged 73% to almost $614. The big wins? A 30% increase in ad revenue, driven by AI-powered insights on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and 50 million active users in its Horizon Worlds metaverse. Meta isn't just surviving the tech shift, it's thriving. Rounding out the list is Amazon, with its stock climbing 56% to $218. Why the growth? Amazon's AWS division saw a 25% revenue boost, hitting $100 billion for the year thanks to its integration of AI solutions for businesses. Meanwhile, they focused on enhancing the customer experience in e-commerce, ensured strong overall performance. And speaking of financial performance, having reliable data is critical for any analysis. That's why professionals worldwide trust EODHD APIs. From historical prices to fundamental data, options and real-time updates, EODHD is the trusted source for algo traders, analysts and fintech companies alike. Ready to take your analysis to the next level? Check the link in the description. So, we've covered the big names Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, but what about the hidden gems? One company's stock skyrocketed by a staggering 2,750%. What's the story behind this meteoric rise? Let's dive into the top performing stocks of 2024 that took the market by storm and surprised even the most seasoned investors. Kicking things off is Vistra, an energy company that's reshaping the renewable energy landscape. Its stock soared 210% this year. Why the success? Vistra made massive investment in solar power and battery storage technology. But the real game changer, a landmark partnership with the US government to develop cutting-edge energy storage solutions. What does this mean for the market? Vistra's focus on sustainable energy aligns perfectly with global trends, making it a favorite among eco-conscious investors and institutions alike. Now, let's talk about AppLovin, a stock that skyrocketed over 700% in 2024, making it one of the hottest performers of the year. In Q3 2024, AppLovin reported a 93% year-over-year revenue increase, reaching an impressive $1.2 billion. Adjusted earnings per share soared by 370%, hitting $1.25. The launch of the AI-powered ad platform Accent 2.0 transformed the mobile app advertising landscape, significantly improving monetization efficiency. AppLovin began testing ad solutions for mobile gamers, capturing the attention of both local businesses and national brands. What's the big takeaway? AppLovin isn't just riding the tech wave, it's creating it. Their ability to adapt, innovate and deliver outstanding results has made them a favorite for investors. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, GeneDx. This biotech company blew past expectations with its stock climbing an unbelievable 2,750% from $2.75 to almost $79 in just 1 year. To understand the growth, GeneDx specializes in genetic testing, particularly for rare diseases and pediatric genomics. This year, the company introduced groundbreaking tools for genome and exome sequencing, helping doctors diagnose complex genetic conditions with unparalleled accuracy. Q3 revenue jumped 77% to $76.6 million. Positive adjusted net income had $1.2 million, marking a major turnaround for the company. What sets them apart? GeneDx's strategic focus on innovation and expanding its service offerings, making it a leader in biotech industry. It's no wonder the market rewarded them with such extraordinary growth. 3 very different companies, 3 incredible stories. But what's your take? Which of these stocks do you think has the most potential going into 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like this video. It really helps us to bring you more insights into the world of finance and investing. 2024 wasn't just another year in the markets, it was a year of transformation, innovation and surprises. From Nvidia leading the change in AI to GeneDx proving breakthroughs in biotech and delivering astonishing returns, this year showed us that the future belongs to those who innovate and adapt. What's exciting is how these trends aren't just shaping industries, they're reshaping our everyday lives. From smarter investments to more personalized healthcare, 2024 gave us a glimpse of what's possible when technology and ingenuity collide. But here's the big question: what's next? As we head into 2025, will AI continue to dominate? Will biotech see another record-breaking year? And which companies will surprise us this time? One thing's for sure: staying informed is the key to staying ahead. That's why we're launching a monthly series covering the latest news and insights across fintech, AI, and the markets. Don't want to miss it? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always up to date. Thank you for joining us today as we broke down the biggest stories and trends in 2024. Which company or trend inspired you the most this year? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and share it with someone who loves innovation as much as you do. There's so much more to come. Stay tuned for our next dive into the world of finance and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.